All of our cars are frozen. You can't get in them. I'm not butt booty naked. I have on a robe. But all the cars are frozen and you can't get in them. The ones that we drive have the plastic bags on the windows, but we can't even get out. That one, I don't know why that don't have, not windows, mirrors. I don't know why that one don't have no bags on the mirror. I think because that was the last one driven and the bags didn't get put back on. But yeah, like, they froze. We ain't getting in these. Like, this is not snow, this is ice. Like, complete ice in there. And I'm gonna walk down this hill. I hope I don't bust my ass, y'all. This is my driveway, and it's crazy because the ground don't look like there's nothing going on with it, but all that is frozen. That's ice. And our car up here is frozen too. All that ice. Let's see. Ice. You see, it's barely any marks. See, this is not crunching at all. You see, you can't really leave no footprints because it's ice. If it was snow, it would sink in. Like, it's ice. I keep saying that's ice, but yeah. I'm not even gonna try. Let's see what this is like. Oh yeah, see, that's frozen in there. It's ice. I ain't even try to go up these stairs. Ain't no way that's happening. But, yep, it's frozen. I am about to go back inside because I decided to come out here and record in a robe, and yeah, that's not a good idea. It's cold. I'm gonna go back in the house